Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into the future with a full guide on using Airtable for Real Estate Client Management, the 2025 edition. Step 1 is setting up your base. This is where you'll store all your client information. Start by creating a new base and name it something like Real Estate Clients. This is vital because it's the foundation for your client management system. Once you've done that, it's time to add your tables. Think of each table as a different category of information. You might have tables for prospective clients, current clients, and closed deals. This helps us because it keeps our information organized and easy to navigate. Now let's add some fields to our tables. Fields are the specific details you want to track for each client, such as their name, contact information, property interest, and status. The reason we do this is to have all client details at our fingertips, making communication and follow-ups a breeze. Next up, we're linking records between tables. For instance, you might link a client from your current clients table to a specific deal in your closed deals table. This is pivotal as it helps to track the client journey seamlessly, and it shows the bigger picture of your real estate business. Now that we've done that, it's time to set up some views. Views allow you to filter, sort, and group your data in different ways. For instance, you might have a view that shows all clients who are ready to close deals. This helps us because it allows us to focus on the right clients at the right time, enhancing productivity. Let me explain why this matters. Utilizing Airtable effectively allows you to streamline your client management process, saving you time and increasing your efficiency. And there you have it. That's how you use Airtable for real estate client management. Remember, the key is to stay organized and make the most of Airtable's powerful tools. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in our next video.